Daylilies. Good morning, Dhaka. Showing some of my daylilies bloom today, because if I don't share it with you, I don't feel good. They are so vibrant in colors and they are so beautiful. So let's enjoy the beauty of my daylilies today. These are all I have collected from Chiang Mai. My friend, he is the National Professor of Chiang Mai University of Arts and Crafts Department, and he's the one who collected these daylilies for me, and these lilies are with me since last 2-3 years. I really love daylilies very much. At the moment, I have about 40 varieties. Hope you have enjoyed the video today. Thank you.